Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I created this video for all the parents out there that message me about what do I put in Ryan's hair, how do I get him to sit still, what products do I use. I really hope you guys can take something away from this video and find it very helpful. And if you do, please don't forget the thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. I will be sharing a lot more all about raising Ryan. So first, I'm gonna jump right in with Shea Moisture's 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner for kids. I absolutely love this stuff. It's coconut and hibiscus and it smells so good. Right now, I'm just wetting Ryan's hair to prepare it for products to be added. I only add a little bit of this product. I don't really like that it doesn't lather. That's why I like to combine it with another shampoo. And I really find that when I combine the two, I get better results. So I use this Shea Moisture Coconut Baby Shampoo and Body Wash to create that lather that I like. And it really makes me feel like I'm getting in there and cleaning his hair, and it smells really good, the combination. So right now I'm just really working in both products, massaging his scalp, getting all the dirt out because he likes to roll around on the floor and play a lot, and just really massaging and catering to his head. I really like washing his hair. It's really funny because I have flashbacks to when I was younger and I did not like my hair being washed at all by my mom. So I'm really shocked that he enjoys and finds it funny, me washing his hair. And now I'm about to rinse. So yeah, I'll just rinse out both the shampoos, which he lets me do sometimes and sometimes he doesn't. He'll fight me on this one. And once I get all of the products out, this is the end result. As you can see, his hair is very curly, it's very lightweight. Doesn't feel like it has any residue of the shampoos. And now I'm about to add this Shea Moisture Detangler. It's really, really good. I find it easier to add a detangler to comb out his hair than if I was to just rinse out both shampoos and just try and comb his wet hair. I use the Conair comb. I like the wider tooth end for starting, and then I'll finish off with the smaller tooth end sometimes when I find myself having knots in his hair. Yeah, this comb works magic. I recommend it to anybody. I will drop the link on where to find it in the description box in case you guys want to know. And I'll add actually all the products in the description box because sometimes they're not everywhere, but I know I found them on Amazon. So I'll just share with you guys those links. Oh, and also if you detangle from the ends and work your way to the roots, I find it a lot more effective. My mom taught me that trick, as well as sometimes I used to detangle his hair with shampoo. So try both. And now I'm just going to end it off with the Shea Moisture's Curling Cream. It smells really good, and I love that it leaves his hair not feeling kind of heavy or have a weird texture. It's very lightweight, and it leaves his curls feeling and looking just really moisturized. So this is the finished product. I had to cut the clip short because Ryan started to get cranky. I hope you all really enjoyed this video, and thanks so much again for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed.